Acute, less than 90 degrees. An acute angle is an angle with a measure of less than 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle with a measure of exactly 90 degrees, which is also called a right angle. An obtuse angle is an angle with a measure of greater than 90 degrees. A 180-degree angle is the measure of a straight line and is also called a straight angle. A circle has been defined to have 360 degrees, and a half of a circle or a semicircle therefore has 180 degrees, and a quarter circle therefore has 90 degrees, and a quarter circle is often divided up into halves of 45 degrees or thirds of 30 degrees. Acute can be applied to an angle, as in an acute angle, or acute can be applied to a triangle, as in an acute triangle. An acute triangle has all angles less than 90 degrees. Acute means having less than 90 degrees. Antonyms: obtuse. Related words: right angle, straight angle.